Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper from your Lexus IS250. Start by gathering your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. It's also a good idea to have a panel clip removal tool handy. If your Lexus IS250 has fog lights, you'll need to disconnect their wiring harnesses. To protect your paint, consider applying painter's tape to the fender and headlight areas. Next, move to the underside of the bumper. You'll find about 6 10mm bolts that need to be removed. Then, turn your front wheels to gain better access to the wheel wells. Here, you'll need to remove 3 to 4 plastic clips from each fender liner, along with one 10mm bolt on each side. This will allow the fender liner to be pulled back, revealing additional fasteners. Now, open the hood. You'll see a plastic shroud covering the radiator area. Remove the 9 or so plastic clips holding this cover in place. Beneath this, you'll find 2 10mm bolts near the top of the grille that also need to be unscrewed. Carefully check for any additional clips or screws around the headlight assemblies and the upper grille section. With all fasteners removed, it's time for the final release. Gently pull the bumper outwards from the fender edges. You'll hear clips disengage. Double-check that all electrical connections, such as those for parking sensors or fog lights, are completely unplugged. With a helper, carefully pull the entire bumper assembly straight off the vehicle, setting it aside on a soft surface to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.